So if you ordered the crycry secret layer proxy bundle, this is not what you're getting. Let me explain. I got this, I think last month from my cousin. I also just got off phone with him last night. I'm gonna give you a little bit of the update on what's going on with our package because it's supposed to be shipped out on September 15th, which is I think 2 days ago from the recording of this video. So I got this package back in September, no, October, not October, sorry. Back in August, that's what I meant. Now, I actually did a whole unboxing video. This is a sample box that they sent to me to confirm all of the stuff that needs to be in here, right? I tried to unbox this and then try to put some stuff back in, but again, the unboxing experience was amazing. Maybe I'll post that video sometime in the future, but essentially, this is jam-packed with value and stuff that we would need on a daily basis. They gave me a lot of these, what do you call these? Glass cloth. So you use this to clean your sheet or clean your glass. You will never run out these cloth. Okay, I've opened one pack, I haven't even able to go through, but these are gifts that was being sent, and also these foil card mag. I guess that's the official name, card mags, and then sanctum shields. But we had to refine a couple of details, right? And then there's what we thought at the time was the best option, the glossy lamination sheet, 2 mil, both glossy and matte. And we have our foil sticker paper alongside of the double-sided photo paper, as well as the cardstock, right? Now, things has changed ever since they start packing these things for us in America or in the world there, because there was an order from Singapore. Okay, so shout out to all of you who ordered the crycry secret layer proxy bundle. So let me explain what happened. I'm gonna pull up a couple of videos out while I'm talking here. So essentially, I talked to my cousin throughout this process, right? These 2 months we've been preparing these materials. I've been telling him this is my test. I've been testing the cardstock. I've been testing a double-sided photo paper. I've been testing the foil stickers. Just get those, put them in the bundle, send it to everybody. So that's essentially what was the original version of our crycry secret layer bundle. But throughout the process, while he was going to factory, he ran into this material that I didn't think existed. So, you know how like normally we need to, if you're making a foil proxy, you have to apply the foil sticker onto the cardstock, and then that's probably, it's a time-consuming process, right? And it actually takes a little skill because you can't get bubbles, you just gonna get wrinkles or whatever. Annoying, to say the least. So what he found changed the whole process. So this was near the end, near I think September 10th or 11th. That's when he found out the existence of this material that would shift the whole process of us making foil proxies. I mean, the word is simplify, right? The word is simplify. So apparently, this is a double-sided photo paper, right? This is used to make non-foil proxies. Apparently, there is a material called foiled double-sided photo paper. That blew my mind, okay? I mean, I never knew such thing existed. You cannot find it anywhere. You cannot buy it anywhere else. So he called me, he said, yo, I found this double-sided foil photo paper that you can print straight on and just laminate and be done with it. So no more sticking onto the cardstock, no more applying it. We got it refined. So I was like, that's crazy. I mean, I want to test it. Send it to me. I need to test it. I want to see what it looks like. Basically, he did a couple of tests, right? He in China, and then he got the double-sided foil paper, and then started doing these tests, printing them on inkjet, home-owned inkjet printers, and then the result were amazing. Okay, I was impressed. I mean, I sent him the file, right? The photos, the images that I got from MPC. So I sent him a file, and then he printed out to double-sided foil photo paper. It's crazy. So I'm gonna show it on the screen so you can see what it looks like. But long story short, that is going to be inside of our material bundle now. We're upgrading all of the material bundles that you have ordered. So no more sticker paper, no more cardstock. It's just one now. It's just foil double-sided photo paper where you can just print directly. You put it in your printer, you print directly onto the foil paper. You don't need to stick it onto the cardstock. You just laminate and then you trim, and then that's it. That's a foil proxy. Okay, still is mind-blowing to me. I have yet gotten a sample to test it myself, but I've seen all the tests that he's done, which it looks amazing. So over the past couple of days, ever since he found out this material exists, so we made a decision to switch it out for all of you in your material bundle. That's taken a little bit of time. That's why I'm making this video, letting you know that. Last night, I just talked to him. He told me, I'll show you a little behind the scene. They put all the packages together. All of the bundles are being shipped over to America, and it's gonna get here in about 15 days. And that's when you can expect your package to be delivered. I would say give it 15 or 17 days, because I mean, these things are heavy. Okay, papers are heavy, and that's why we gotta go with the 15-day shipping thing. But that's the fastest way that they can get it over to America. But essentially, originally we wanted to get all packages shipped out, and then we found this new material. We had to kind of redo all the material bundles that we already did, and then ship them out, right? So be expecting. I will double check with him on the, what's the word, the shipping information, because some of you are asking me for a what is it called? I blanking the name. The shipping code, whatever that is. You can look up your shipping process. I'm gonna check with him if we're gonna get that or not, but he has already updated me on the situation, or on all this situation of the packet. He has finished packing them and then shipping them over here and then everywhere else in the world. But yeah, I just want to give you a little update. I know a lot of people being emailing me, asking me. I'll reply slowly. And I thought I'd make this public announcement so you are on the same page as I am. Granted, I have to apologize for the delay because, you know, these type of things that I didn't anticipate happening. We were on schedule, but we had to change some of the stuff out, right? I just want to keep it transparent. So keep a lookout. I will keep making updating videos about where in the process of our package are, and also the material sample bundle that he's sending out, because he's trying to finish all of your orders first and then send me a test bundle so I can make tutorials for you. But yeah, I'm super excited. You just need to understand, we have revolutionized the process of making foil proxies. If you saw my previous video where I broke down all of the methods that I've tested, it's complicated when it comes to foil because you have to get the thickness right, you have to apply. It's just extra work. Now it's being compressed. Remember, I wish I had my iPad with me. So the non-foil process is very straight, simple, forward, straight. You print on double-sided photo paper, you laminate, that's it, right? Now that's the foil proxy method as well. You print, you laminate, that's it. Okay, mind blowing. Okay, I told you in the video, I said things can change so quickly based on the technology and the materials that we can find. That's how fast it can change, right? So I appreciate all of you for being on this journey with me. And again, I appreciate you for supporting me to get these materials delivered to you, because at the end of the day, I just want you to get this and then being able to start making proxies and start playing the game of Magic. Thank you for all of you for watching my videos, learning how to play proxy. I'm not the best at doing this. You already know. There's a lot of you are really good at making proxies. Some of you are in my crycry secret layer. Yeah, I just can't wait for you to get your actual bundle, not this one that we designed previously, but the new one with our new foil double-sided photo paper. Yeah, and the bonus, the card sleeves and then the card mags, and then you're never gonna run out your your glasses wipe. I mean, you can use this to clean. You can use this to. It's a gift. It's really a gift from my cousin. He really wanted to include this in here for you. I mean, you use this to clean your sheet before you laminate, right? So it doesn't get bubbles. Again, so to reiterate, inside of the bundle, what you're gonna get, these 3 exclusive material that you cannot get anywhere else. Okay, the double-sided foil photo paper, that's 1. 2 mil glossy lamination, 2 mil matte lamination. All 3 are exclusive in our bundle. You cannot get it anywhere else. Let me reiterate that. I mean, at this point of me recording this video, as of now, you cannot get it anywhere. Now, the question is, are you gonna be able to buy these materials separately in the future if you want to refill? I did get a confirmation. I did ask him that question, just because of the logistics of how to transport these heavy papers, because we need to put in a large amount of order for the shipping to make sense. If only like 5 or 10 of you trying to buy like the double-sided foil paper, then they're not gonna ship it for us, the shipping company, because it's too light, too small, and it's not gonna get here fast enough unless we pay like air shipping, which is crazy. It's like super expensive. So what we decided to do is we're gonna probably do a what you call those things, the website where you can go support a project for $1 amount. Yeah, I can't remember. I'm blanking the name now. GoFundMe or something like that, right? So we're gonna start a campaign, at least so that we know how many people want it, right? So that we can work the logistical things out, so we can work the shipping things out and get it over into your hand, so you can start making proxies. So right now, excuse me, as of right now, they're all in our bundles. But down the line, I'm trying to work on the campaign right now for that. So you're gonna see me posting videos, obviously, if you tuned in. If you really want to buy them separately, then go support the campaign that's going to be coming up in the future. I want to say by the end of this month, we should be able to get it up so you can see, because these 3 materials, really truly, you cannot find it anywhere. And then to me, from my process, the way I'm teaching you, that's what I found. I have the most success, right? With thickness, rigidity, just replicating the feel of an actual MTG card is top notch. So, with that being said, I will see you in the next one.